Henry David Thoreau ran a pencil factory. It was his family's pencil factory. Henry didn't like technology so much, but a pencil is definitely technology. So is a pencil factory. Anyway, HDT. I think he'd like to kind of hang out by streams and stuff. I don't know how awesome he would have thought my camera is, though. And all this technology, the streaming that we're doing of all the ones and the zeros, the images that we're creating. It seems to be what we're doing, so I'm participating. I try to stay in line with Fred Rogers, trying to let people know that they're loved and that they're capable of loving. Try to laugh at myself and just provide some kind of context for life, I think. That's what I'm doing, just context, kind of, look, I was here, I do a lot of self-analysis over why I pick up the camera and how I pick up the camera and the spirit in which I pick it up. But that does not mean that I'm not a fool. And that's good to know. It's part of my calling to be this kind of this absurd expression. So, more comfortable with that now.